everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're exploring a neat trick to spice up your Shopify store, custom product badges. These little visuals can transform how customers see your products, and I'm excited to show you how to make them happen. Whether your store's been around forever or you're just starting out, this is going to be a fun ride. Picture this. Someone lands on your store, scrolling fast, ready to bounce. In that split second, a custom badge, like exclusive deal or a new arrival, catches their eye. They're small but mighty, turning a plain product page into something that pops. These badges don't just look good. They guide shoppers, highlight your best stuff, and give your store a pro vibe. It's an easy way to boost sales without breaking a sweat. So, how do we bring this magic to life? Let's dive in. Before tweaking your code, make a copy of the theme first. Test your changes there to keep your main theme safe. This way, you're covered if something goes wrong. First, we need a spot to stash your badge images. In Shopify, that's a meta field. Log into your admin, open Settings, and click Custom Data. Under Products, add a definition. Type in the name badge and check that the key should be custom.badge. Set it to file type and hit save. Simple so far, right? Next, head to your products and pick the one you wish to add a badge on. Scroll down to the Meta Fields section, spot badge, and upload a badge image. I've uploaded an organic icon already, so I'll select it here. Repeat this for any product you want to highlight. Now, let's make those badges appear. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and edit the code of your theme. Look for a file like Cart Product Liquid File. Add the badge display code near the product image section. Paste the code we've provided to the file. You can find the link to the code in the description of this video. After that, we'll polish things up. In the code editor, look for theme or base CSS file and add some styling at the end. Again, the code can be found through the link in the description area. Finally, save your work and preview your store. Check those products from your landing page and products list. That's the scoop. If this sparks some ideas, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Got a question? Toss it in the comments. I've got your back. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.